Welcome to Joyful Aging. Today, we'll explore how quality sleep plays a powerful role in reducing depression and improving mental health in seniors. Many older adults struggle with sleep, either falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early. But what many people don't realize is how deeply poor sleep is connected to depression, anxiety, and even memory problems. Research shows that seniors who sleep poorly are twice as likely to experience depression. That's because during sleep, the brain restores emotional balance, repairs memory, and regulates mood. Without enough sleep, the brain becomes more sensitive to stress and negative emotions. So how much sleep do seniors need? Experts recommend 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. But it's not just about quantity, sleep quality matters too. Let's talk about a few simple tips that can help improve sleep for older adults. First, create a calm bedtime routine. Turn off bright lights and avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. A warm shower, soft music, or light reading can help signal to your body that it's time to rest. Second, keep a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps train your body's internal clock. Third, avoid caffeine or heavy meals late in the day. These can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Also, expose yourself to natural light during the day, especially in the morning. Sunlight helps regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep. Finally, create a comfortable sleep environment. Use cozy bedding. Keep the room cool and dark, and reduce noise as much as possible. If you still have trouble sleeping, don't hesitate to speak with a healthcare provider. Sleep problems can sometimes be linked to medication, medical issues, or mental health concerns. But the good news is better sleep is possible at any age. Even small changes can lead to deeper rest, better mood, and more joyful living. Thank you for joining us at Joyful Aging. In our next episode, we'll explore how music can heal and uplift the minds of seniors. Please subscribe for more gentle, science-backed support for senior mental wellness.